Hello everyone, it's me Shanszy and you watching your favorite channel Shanszy Designer. So how are you all? I hope that you guys are fine, pretty and doing work well. I am here again with a very brilliant, very amazing, very demanding and very beautiful collection of top dress designs. You can wear top with jeans and palazzo on a function as a guest in summer season because all designs on cotton, linen and lawn. Very brilliant ideas for summer season. I choose designs are my favorite and I hope that Can Be collection is your favorite too. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video. So guys, if you want to updated latest fashion trend, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends, stylish and amazing fashion trends on my channel. You will find 100 of new designs, 100 of new ideas still on my channel and I hope you really like my all videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and visit my channel and share with others. As you can see guys, in this video very brilliant and flawless ideas for you. This video for college going girl, uni going girls as well as office going girls. 2022 brilliant ideas for girls. If you want to watch more stylish and attractive dress designing ideas, so visit my channel because my channel is the best source of stylish and trendy designs. So subscribe my channel for more dress designing ideas and press the bell icon for get notification of my video. So guys, enjoy this video till the end. Bye bye.